Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming connectivity and app availability. On your smart TV, verify Wi-Fi or Ethernet shows internet. This matters because streaming needs steady bandwidth. Next, open the TV's App Store and search for Jiotv. If it's not pre-installed, install it now. Once done, sign in with your Jio ID and password. Make sure your subscription is active so channels unlock. This step gets you into the app and prepares the TV to stream live content smoothly. You'll now authenticate and tailor playback. Use the remote, on-screen keyboard, or your phone to enter credentials. You can cast using the mobile app if typing is slow. When the app prompts, link your TV by entering a code on the Jio website or scanning the QR from your phone. This ensures account connection. Then open Settings inside Jiotv and choose Video Resolution and Audio Output for your network speed and speaker setup to reduce buffering and get the best quality. You're ready to watch. Pick a live channel or use the guide to queue shows and press play. If video stalls or fails, first exit and relaunch the Jiotv app and reboot the TV. This often clears transient issues. If problems persist, check your internet speed, update the Jiotv app and TV firmware, and clear the app cache to remove corrupted data. If you still can't stream, try switching from Wi-Fi to Ethernet or contact support with your device model and error details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.